How to create great YouTube channel. Creating a successful YouTube channel takes time, effort, and consistency. Here are some tips to help you create a great YouTube channel. 1. Choose a niche. Choose a niche that you are passionate about and that has a significant audience. 2. This will help you create content that resonates with your viewer and keeps them engaged. 3. Create quality content. The quality of your content is crucial to your success on YouTube. 4. Make sure your videos are well produced, have good lighting, and are edited professionally. 5. Be consistent. Consistency is key to building a following on YouTube. 6. Post new videos on a regular schedule so that your viewer know when to expect new content. 7. Engage with your audience. Building a community on YouTube is essential to growing your channel. 8. Respond to comments and engage with your viewer to build a loyal following. 9. Promote your channel. Promote your channel on social media, your website, and other platforms to reach a wider audience. 10. Collaborate with other creators. Collaborating with other creators can help you reach a new audience and build relationships in the YouTube community. 11. Analyze your metrics. Pay attention to your videos' analytics to see what's working and what's not. 12. Adjust your content and strategy accordingly to improve your channel's performance. Remember, creating a great YouTube channel takes time and effort. Keep pushing yourself to create high-quality content and engage with your audience, and your channel will grow over time. Thanks for watching. For more informative videos, please subscribe.